These 4 courses will help you start very well in 2024. So if you are considering switching careers and you are thinking of how do I go about it, consider these 4 cybersecurity certifications. Choosing a cybersecurity certification can be very tricky and confusing because there are a lot of options to choose from. In this video, I will be sharing 4 beginner-friendly cybersecurity certifications and courses that can validate your experience and help you start or switch into a tech career and get a job in this 2024. If you are new to this channel, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. The first cybersecurity certification I'll be talking about is Google Professional Certificate. Google Professional Certificate is a beginner friendly that requires no previous cybersecurity experience. Google Professional Certificate focuses on practical skills for cloud security in the Google Cloud platform. It's a beginner friendly and it covers the fundamental principles like security concepts, identity and access management, incident response, and threat detection. If you want to take this course, usually costs about $49 per month to subscribe on Coursera to take Google Professional Certificate. But currently, if you are registering on Coursera before the end of January 2024, there's a special discount going on where you can get it for about $16 per month. There is a huge discount going on. So if you want to take Google Professional Certificate, go right ahead on Coursera, sign up on Coursera, and then you get a huge discount. The second cybersecurity certification I'll be talking about is IBM Professional Certificate. This is also a beginner-friendly certification, and it has an emphasis on IBM security products. It's prepared by IBM usually to train people who have IBM security product to work on. And if you're also an entry level, you don't have IBM security product, you want to come into cybersecurity, they will see treat you or take you on the fundamentals of cybersecurity. So it's beginner friendly and it assumes you have no previous IT knowledge. It covers issues like network security, incident response, security operations. Is also very good for cryptography. It covers cryptography, incident response, and risk management. The same course, you can get it on Coursera too. So if you register on Coursera, like I said, before the end of the month, you will have access to this course also. The third cybersecurity certification I'll be talking about is CompTIA Security Plus. CompTIA Security Plus focuses on core cybersecurity skills needed for an entry-level cybersecurity analyst position. It doesn't have any requirement for you to be an IT professional before to be a cybersecurity, but there is a little bit of assumption that you have some fundamental IT, background because you might need to understand certain IT skills or IT concept before you jump in. But however, it doesn't mean that if you don't have any experience at all or you have never been involved in IT or cybersecurity, you cannot take this course. The cost of taking CompTIA Security Plus is about $375, but you can check out their website. I put a link to their website here. You can check out and look at the current or what it may cost you by the time you are watching this video. The fourth cybersecurity certification is ISC2 certified in cybersecurity. This entry-level certification validates your foundational knowledge and skills across 5 different domains of cybersecurity. And then it sets you up for success in a variety of entry-level cybersecurity roles. These 5 domains are security principles, we have business continuity, disaster recovery, incident response concept, access controls concepts, networking security, and cyber security operations. All these 4 certification goes for people without any experience or people who are switching careers. But if you are interested in cloud, if you have more affinity towards cloud technology, I would suggest that you take Google Professional Certificate. If you are working in an environment or you find yourself in an environment where IBM products are paramount or are very much in use, I would suggest that you go for IBM Professional Certification. And if you want a cybersecurity certification that is vendor neutral, that doesn't, is not attached to a particular vendor, so you can go for CompTIA Security Plus or ISC2 certified in cybersecurity. If you are trying to switch careers, maybe you are working, you have some experience, you don't want your experience, you think your experience might be useful, you can also consider ISC2 certified in cybersecurity because it opens you up, with to the general areas, and it helps to also incorporate your experience. You see things that you encounter in your day-to-day work experience. You can find them easily when you do ISC2 certified in cybersecurity. You can and you understand how to incorporate these trainings or this previous experience you have into cybersecurity. These four courses will help you start very well in 2024. So if you are considering switching careers and you are thinking of how do I go about it, consider these four cybersecurity certifications: Google Professional Certification, IBM Professional Certification, CompTIA Security Plus, and ISC2 Certified in Cybersecurity. Once again, if you are new to this channel, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends. Thank you.